What is going on, guys? Welcome to FTV Family Time Vlogs. It is the end of another week, and there's only a few more weeks till Memorial Day weekend. With that said, I do like to give you guys content twice a week. In the beginning, I like to do the family vlog, and then at the end of the week, I like to leave you with either a review, dad talk, or in this case, unused footage. So when we were at Wildwood for spring break, I took a lot of drone footage, a lot of it, that I didn't use in the vlog at all. So I figured I'd kind of show that to you and just show how flooded the beach was. I know you guys saw the beach was flooded, but the extent of how much it was flooded was crazy. So I thought I would gather up all the content, put it to a nice soundtrack that kind of fits, and show it to you guys. So I hope you enjoy. And with that said, here it is. I'll play a couple more times. Moo, and then I gotta take the drone up. Alright, Moo, let me take the drone up. I'll show you guys what the beach looks like. Take the drone up. Now. Take an aerial shot straight up. I'll point the camera down. I haven't worked this drone in a long time because there's a dog. Keep going up. See. Well, that's he does not care. What, you want your ball? Where's your ball? What did you guys think? Go easy on me. It was my first kind of time editing drone footage. I know there was a couple choppy parts that I could have done a little bit better, but next time, hopefully, I could do a little bit better. But yeah, I just want to show the extent of that, how flooded the beach was. It was pretty crazy. I've never experienced it like that. Like, we couldn't even get close to the actual ocean. But I wanted to show that in the vlog, but I just really couldn't. I didn't have, like, it didn't fit in during the creative process. But I hope you guys enjoyed that. We'll see you next week. Next week, we got a good vlog coming up from Wildwood. Probably one of my favorites. Alright, have a good one. Peace.